Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily rename your JBL Partybox on the go to your Android device. So once you are here in the Android menu, you need to tap here the settings. Now once you tap that, you need to go here to the connected devices, tap this gear icon, and now here you need to tap this pen icon. Here now you can perform a rename process by just adding some letters, deleting some letters, adding some emojis, deleting some emojis, etc. And if you want to confirm your name, tap either this tick icon or this rename button over here. Now we are done. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.